When running a business, one of the most overlooked functions of your business is marketing. It is sometimes thought of as an immediate expense. However, it should be utilized and considered the driving force to growing your business. Hi everyone, I'm Rob Palowitz, President and CEO of Palo Creative, and this is your Game Plan for Growth. I'm going to coach you on how to get more leads for your business and convert those prospects into happy customers. But before you can walk, you need to learn how to crawl. To create and execute a successful lead generation campaign, it's important to know a few basic terms and understand the process. Lead generation is about creating potential customers for your business. The process attracts and converts prospects into someone who has indicated interest in your company's product or service. Subscribing to a newsletter or blog, filling out a form to download an ebook, or even a quick phone call to your business. These are all examples of lead generators. So you may be asking, well, how do you get these strangers to become delighted customers? You need to know your audience inside and out. It's like trying to throw a dart while being blindfolded. You can make an attempt, but chances are likely you're going to miss the target. If you don't know whom you're targeting, then you're not going to know what strategies or media to implement. Do the homework to better understand your audience. This is easily attainable by creating personas. It's a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer. It's based on market research, utilizing data about your existing customers and making a few educated assumptions. So maybe open up a Word document or get out a scratch pad and begin jotting down information about your customers. The more detailed you are, the better, as this will help you determine how to best focus your time to attracting new leads. Consider including customer demographics, behavior patterns, motivations, and goals. How do they spend their time? What's their line of work? What's their favorite food? These are all questions you want to consider. Chances are your audience will find you first through one of your marketing channels, such as your website, blog, or social media page. Provide a direct path to content you want for your audience to see. Do you want visitors to read a blog providing tips and tactics? Perhaps a video tutorial on how your product or service can solve their issue at hand. No one likes getting lost. So leading people to your homepage, expecting them to know what to do, that's a bad approach. Did you know our attention span is just 8 seconds? What? You already lost me. Meaning your message needs to be clear, concise, and straight to the point. Offer your audience bite-sized appetizers of content that's impactful and easy to consume. Gobble, gobble. Doesn't Elliot do this? Now, the final and most important part. How do you entice people to take the next course of action? That's where the CTA come into play, as they prompt visitors to carry out a particular action. CTA stands for Calls to Action. A strong, well-placed call to action can offer incredible opportunities for lead generation throughout your website. Remember, they must be aligned with your content and designed to present the right visitors with the right message at the right time in the right way. That's a lot of rights, so get them right. And there you have it, a first look and discussion at gaining more leads and converting them into customers utilizing a lead generation approach with your web assets. And this is your coach, Rob Palowitz. Thanks for watching the Game Plan for Growth show. Stay tuned for the next episode as we dive deeper into how to grow your business.